He's gonna have to walk it.
There you go. Thank you for sharing your vehicle with us today. We appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
Here, I got a camera. Oh, McCann's gonna do it. I think McCann was gonna be our official photographer. Well, I got Facebook Live anyway, so you can go back and look at it. Okay, you're also on live, so you can.
Thank you, Ricky. Next to be awarded. We'll give a minute to this beautiful car. Can we go right in?
Gonna take a picture of us. In the middle.
There you go.
Again.
Our next recipient is our Best in Show Modified. Entry number
1, 2,
44, 1967.
Thank you, sir.
Impala owned by Cheryl Rendell. Cheryl.
You're fine. I already got you on live anyways. I am. You're on live. Don't worry. You can see her.
Thank you.
Take a photo with the council member. Right in the middle, Sharon. We're trying to keep
I don't have no voice.
Okay.
Aiming on the light just got.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Our next recipient is Best in Show Original. Goes to entry number 24, Chris Solis, his 1950 Chevy Bel Air. Chris. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your Joker achieved pretty good on that one.
We're going to One, two, three. Thank you. Right in the middle. In the middle. Facing that way. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, our next recipient, Best in Show Truck. Entry number 54, Alfonso Cervantes, 1954 Chevy pickup. Alfonso. Good job.
1, 2, 3. Good.
Good job.
Excuse me. Mayor Lopez, we'd like to take a photo with you as well.
Oh, thank you.
Granddaughter. Your daughter or your granddaughter? Ready?
2 more awards.
1, 2, 3.
Thank
Our
you.
next one is our Best of Show. Entry number 41, Susan Vigil, 1957 Bel Air. Susan. This is a good day to come. Thank you. Thanks for sharing with us today. We watched your
Ready? 1, 2, hold on. And 3. Good.
Did you get the red juice flying in the background?
I got it one, I think, and then I took another. So get in the middle.
That's the good thing about being live. They can just screenshot the picture they want.
Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good.
Before we give you our grand champion winner today, we need to do a quick moment of gratitude to the people that helped us put this together today. And first off, the Street Fair Committee wants to thank Nathan and Sonia Sanchez for all their extra efforts to help us, direct us, and guide us through this process. Thank you, thank you.
I know you. I've seen it every single one of them. Oh, yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Same with the red ball again. Come on, Nathan. Come on, beautiful.
Elected officials.
Pulling one over on Nathan's not easy.
1, 2, 3. Good.
And also, in addition to Nathan and Sonia's work, the Street Fair also wants to recognize the Luxurious Car Club for their extra efforts in helping us plan for this event. Come over here. Come on, Roll. Come on.
Woo!
Thank you very much for all your work and dedication to get us through this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good.
You can't use that on record. The last time Raul got his photo taken by an officer, it was a mugshot.
You want me on Facebook Live?
If you look around and see all the people here today,
Ready?
we know
1,
this is
2,
one of our partnerships
3.
a success. We want to honor that going forward. So this year's grand champion is Carl will be featured on his shirt.
Bro, come on now. We're better than that. Good job. Thank
We don't have
you.
a plaque that says that today, but we will be following up with the winner after we make this recognition. It's really important for us to share with the community and enjoy these moments we put together. So with that, the grand champion for the 2026 Street Fair, entry number 69, 1987 Olds Cullis, Brad, Montana.
Woo! Look at you!
I just specifically want to say a couple words really quick regarding Brad. We call him Spartacus, but this individual is a true lowrider. This guy puts more miles on that Cutlass than we do our Honda.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Down. Abraham, down. The
And
sound
he's always
cut.
represented in a positive way.
Kind
And
here.
I reached out to him
old.
specifically to do a hydraulic showcase. And without hesitation, he said, "You know what, Nathan? I want to do this. I want to support it." So we appreciate him and his family.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good.
Congratulations. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started on the hydraulic showcase. So if we could just go ahead and have right here on this stage, if you guys could just push back a little bit.
Here, how far do you want me to pull the
Greatly
cord?
appreciate it.
How far do you want it to go?
Yeah,
How far?
in line with the other ones. If I'm not quite-
Okay, this one we got to move in line with the other ones. I don't know
So
how
the
it got
first
moved.
one that's going to get started off on the hydraulic showcase is no other than the winner, Spartacus. He's got an 87.
I need you guys to move.
These are well known within the lowrider community on hydraulics due to the body style, the lightweight.
McCann, can you help me move the crowd out? They don't want to listen to me. I need them to move back.
Like 5 feet, please.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead and get started.
I think this is about.
So what they're going to do, they're just going to go ahead and do a showcase 2-3 times around. Of course, this right here is no other than a three-wheel motion, only legal on parking lots. The next one we have is the yellow 61, driven by Nacho. Owner is Chewy for the Luxurious Car Club. Right behind Nacho in the yellow 61, we have Jose Picos, aquí de Modesto, representing the Luxurious Car Club as well. It is 64 and Pala. And here we got, in the red, Monte Carlo. The owner is Ignacio 77 Red Money, driven by Mino as well from the Luxurious Car Club. All right, everybody, if we could give a real quick round of applause for the lowriders showcasing their hydraulics. We appreciate everything that they do in the community, not only individually or necessarily a car club, but united to help keep the movement alive and thriving. Gracias. Yes, sir. What they are going to do, they're going to go ahead and set up in the three-wheel motion, and we're going to go ahead and take the ribbon down just in case any of you guys want to go ahead and get a closer look or also to get some photos. The back wheel, three-wheel motion in reverse.
Oh, got down.
Eso.
So if you are still here at the Ceres Street Fair, the cars will be opening up here in a second if you want to come.